Hello everyone, this is Shiraz Ahmad Khan, your host. Viewers, in today's video, we are going to learn how to download, install, and sign into Zoom app. It's a famous app in order to conduct online workshops, trainings, and even the video lectures for the students. So it's a basic video in which that is basically for the beginners who wants to use the Zoom app onto their computers or laptops. So in order to download Zoom app, first of all open your browser. In my case, I'm working with Google Chrome, and click inside the address bar and type the URL there, zoom.us/download. By the way, viewers, you can Google this Zoom app into the by typing the Zoom app or anything in the onto the Google search engine, but I'm sharing here with you the quickest method to straight away go to the download page for the Zoom app and finally press the enter key. It will straight away take us to the page of this website, Zoom's website, official website, from where we can download the free Zoom app. If you scroll downwards, you can see different options to download the Zoom app, but for our concern, the very first option is the most suitable one, that is Zoom client for meetings. Finally, click the download button. Its version, the latest version is available there. That is, in our case, for the time being, right now it's version 5.1.0. So click the download button and it will start downloading, and depending onto the internet speed of your computer, it will take some time. After a few moments, you can see that the Zoom installer.exe is successfully downloaded in our case. You can straight away click onto this button. The first step of today's video is done. The first task, it was to download Zoom app, and we have straight away downloaded it from the shortest link. Now the second task of today's video is to install this app. For installation, you can click onto this arrow and you can open the folder where the browser has downloaded this exe file, or you can straight away click onto this file. It will straight away start the installation process of this Zoom app. So click onto this, and after some few moments it will show you this dialog box. It's a security alert by the Windows. Click the run because we trust this app, and meanwhile you can close the browser from the background as well. Now the Zoom installer, it has launched its screens, the wizard has started, and it's installing the Zoom app onto our computers. And it will take some time. Once again, the speed of your computer system, it matters in this case. And after some time, the installation will be done, and it will show us the home screen of the Zoom, that is for the cloud meetings. Now, two tasks of today's videos have done so far. The first task was to download the app, and the second task was to install the app. So we have successfully downloaded, and then we have successfully installed this app into our computer system. Now we are going to sign in onto this app, and this step is, once again, it is required once only. Once the downloading, installation and signing in process is completed, next time you can straight away start using this app for calling or for inviting people to this meeting, or for joining a meeting by your trainer or by your teacher. So for this purpose, click onto the sign in button. It will take you to this screen, and if you have already signed up, then you can straight away type your email and enter the password. Or if this is your first time, then we have these options with us: sign in with SSO, sign in with Google, and sign in with Facebook. Hopefully you have your a Google account with you. If you don't have, and if you don't know how to create your Google account, you can search a video on my YouTube channel, the step-by-step process of creating or making a Gmail account. And if you have already Gmail account, then click onto this second option, sign in with Google. Once it is clicked, automatically something will be shown into the browser, and it is basically showing us that which choose an account through which you want to sign into your Zoom app. So I have already one account there. Click onto this account and it's requiring the password. In my case, the password is already saved. In your case, if you are already not signed in, you'll have to click onto your account, and then after clicking onto the accounts, it will require the password. And once the password is typed, finally click the next button. It will take us to the another step of this wizard, and after processing, and once it allows you to log into the application Zoom app, it will show you this screen, and through this screen you can straight away go to the Zoom settings, or you can launch Zoom as well. By clicking on to any of these two options, it will launch the app. So let's cancel it from the dialog box, and let's click launch Zoom app and click open Zoom meetings, and it's connecting to Google through our Gmail account, and finally the Zoom application is launched. Now you can exit the browser from the background, and now the application Zoom it's finally installed, and we have successfully signed into the Zoom app. So viewers, that's it for today. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to like this video and leave your comments and the queries in the comments box given at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.